Disturbing news coming in from the Kashmir Valley. 5 tourists have lost their life while 3 have been rescued in Sonmarg after a tourist cab fell into the river. Earlier today we are told that this was this cab in which tourists were travelling. It fell into the river. This was on the Srinagar-Sonmarg National Highway. And while the vehicle was eventually, as you can see, the rescuers are trying, but it appears 5 people at least could not be saved in this case. Tragic news coming in. There has been a lot of rainfall also that has been reported from this area in the past few days. All right, joining me now is Mir Farid. And Farid, I first welcome you to India Today. Farid will now be reporting from Jammu and Kashmir here on a regular basis. Farid, do tell us what happened here on the ground. Tragic news coming in. And how many tourists were there in the vehicle?
Thank you so much, Pooja. Yes, the tragic news coming in from Sonmarg. Now, this happened near Hang, which is a place on the Srinagar-Sonmarg highway. A tourist vehicle, which was, in fact, there were at least 8 to 9 tourists who were traveling in this. It seems driver, while negotiating a sharp curve, lost control, and the river, and then the vehicle fell into the Sindh River. As you rightly said, there have been incessant rains last few days, non-stop rains, and in fact snow has lashed mountainous areas. So water discharge was pretty much there. The Sindh River was all swelled up, and while rescue effort was launched, but 5 people have lost their lives. 3 were rescued, and the vehicle in which they were traveling.
Any latest detail, Farid? Where did these tourists belong from? Which state were they from? Any details on identities yet?
Oh, well, identities are being ascertained,
okay.
but as you know, right now, there's a lot of tourist inflow into the Kashmir Valley, and Sonmarg is one of the sort of places. We'll in some time come to know which state do they belong to. But yes, tragic news nonetheless.
All right, so Farid telling us about tourists who have lost their life, and we'll try and get you more details on that. Tragic news, but it's also about currently the rainfall and the snowfall that's being reported from several areas. You're looking at how rescuers are trying their best. They've been able to get at least the vehicle out. 3 people were rescued, 5 have lost their life.